They never have change over here.
Your 8 pesos is there and
Ah, okay.
Kuya
Alright.
Tito. Okay na din.
What is it?
Change.
10?
You change Kuya Tito of 2 pesos.
Give it to him?
Ah.
Ah, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Here's a change, Tito. She said it was yours, I think. Okay. I don't want a cheap guy looking at her phone all the time. Yeah, I know what you mean. Like, a lot of girls are a lot of girls are like that. Thank God my wife doesn't. My wife, she's not really like a phone type of girl that she's on her phone all day. Uh, but I do recommend you get someone like 30s from 39, you know. Well, that's, you know, being on the phone and all that, you know, especially like Hi.
Morning.
Morning, how are you? The Lola is here. Um, bro, like, hey, let me see if this thing is gonna work. The signal's gonna stay or not. Yeah, man. I think when it comes to that, you know, if you're married or not even married, but you have a family, you have kids and all that, you know, like you gotta make sure the household is good first, you know. I'm not saying no one should be on their phones, but you know, there's a time and a place, you know. Like, it's like whenever you go to work, you know, when you go to work, you know, in the US, they don't want you to be on your phones, or some are more strict, some are not, you know, because they want you to get your shit done. Yeah, wow for that. um that's what I think on that situation. Like, if a woman, even a companion, like, because once you live with a woman, you're family, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, you gotta, and same thing goes with the guy, you know, it's not just a one thing. Now if your work has to do with your phone, then that's a different thing too, you know. Like, when it comes to like blogging and all that, that eventually becomes your, if it's YouTube and YouTube is paying you for your videos, you know, that's time consuming. You know, you have to buy a phone to start your blogs if you don't have one. And even if you have one, you know, you have to, you know, there's so many things to it, you know. A lot of people don't look at it as a job, but I mean, if you get paid to do what you do, it's a job, you know, because you getting paid to do something. So, God's gift to females is the D. Doctor. Yeah, I agree with the doctor.